Now let us discuss Beyond Meat again, guys. Doing 18%. What a fantastic reversal, guys, for Beyond Meat from almost the $1. Right now is going up again toward the major resistance around the $1.55. What a nice reversal. As we discussed before, Beyond Meat did a nice breakout here from this bearish channel, and the squeeze officially started here on the 20th of April. This week, guys, we got a parabolic price action for Beyond Meat from the 80 cent until the 150, and we did almost 100%. Right now is getting near again this drastic level around the $1.55. So where the price will go from there? Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So as we said, the $1 or the 96 was the bottom for this time that we should hold, guys, to confirm that the buyer's still there and the squeeze will happen pretty soon. And the $1.55, from my opinion, will be the drastic squeeze that we will wait for, like what happened here. Once we broke from the almost around the 96, we did 50%. So if we broke the 155, it's back 36%, or better yet, around almost the $3, around the $2.98. This is the second level where the short seller added their position. So the most important level is around the $1.55, and the second most important level for the whale to confirm that we still strong and we don't have a pullback is the 96 cent. What you think? Are we gonna have the squeeze before the end of this week or not? Because the last few days was pretty volatile, and the volume, guys, they were doing really great, almost 55 million for Beyond Meat. So it's not bad for this movement for Beyond Meat. A fast movement, for my opinion, toward the squeeze zone around the 155. So we're gonna do update, of course, before the squeeze on our Discord and Bitcoin first before the market open, and after that on our live streaming. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, because we're gonna go live as usual tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, to discuss Beyond Meat and other stuff.